Benefits of taking Myrrh. Myrrh is a gum resin that has been historically traded as a perfume incense and medical remedy. Myrrh helps support many bacterial and viral infections. It is most indicated to help support oral health and can help treat infections of the oral mucosa, gingivitis, bad breath, and mouth ulcers. It is also indicated in the support of respiratory lung health. Skin conditions. Myrrh can also help treat includes acne, abscess, and gangrenous ulcers. Safety precautions include avoiding during pregnancy, and the fact that it may increase menstrual flow.